Hey, it's Fantini from Lively, and this video focuses on the instant analysis and insights that Sid Spark provides on each and every call you take. Sid is always listening and starts by determining the contact driver or the reason that the customer is calling. This analysis is done within the call itself, with Sid identifying a number of keywords that relate to that contact driver. Over in Sid's studio, you'll see that about 4 or 5 of these keywords can be found in this easy-to-read Trending Insights dashboard. What's really big about this is that these trending topics are not necessarily defined or even known by your brand before the call. Topics might include inquiries, feedback, issues, general comments, or any other relevant subjects. This is huge, as these topics can help your brand quickly identify trends or even emerging issues faster than ever. That allows you to come up with solutions on the fly to minimize issues, improving overall CSAT and lowering call volume and recontact rates. Once the call wraps up, Sid picks the disposition of the call, which is the final outcome of that contact. One of the ways that these trending topics can quickly address emerging contact drivers is by allowing you to configure Sid's real-time guidance feature to quickly give agents talking points or next steps to address. We have a video on real-time agent guidance, which I'll link in the description. Traditionally, identifying an issue, coming up with a resolution, and getting agents aware and knowledgeable about the solution can take weeks. Sid allows you to act much quicker. If you want to know more about the insights that Sid Spark provides, I've linked a video in the description that reviews Silent Insights, which measures sentiment during key points of a call, both for the customer and the agent, to unlock a deeper understanding of your CX program and your agent performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.